Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if someone blocked you on Viber. And now let's dive right in. Now, to know if someone has blocked you on Viber or not, first open up your Viber app. And there are two or three ways to know if someone has blocked you or not. So let's proceed. And that being said, guys, you can see on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see there is the calls option available for us. Just beside the chats at the bottom of the screen, tap on calls. And on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a person with the plus icon. Tap on the person with the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, guys, try to save their number whom you think has blocked you on Viber over here. Enter their number over here, whichever may it be, and after that tap on continue. If it shows, guys, that person has not registered for a Viber or is not available on Viber without being able to save their contact, then you must know that they have blocked you. And this was the first way, guys. The second way is you can just go to the chat box, and if you open up the chat box, their online status will never be shown to you, guys. Over here you can see my friend's online status is currently, it says last seen yesterday at 2:56 p.m. but in your case, if that person has blocked you, the online time or last seen time won't be shown to you ever, and also you won't be able to call them as well, and the message will go through, but there will only be a tick mark. You can see, guys, beside my hello message there are two tick marks. Only one tick mark will be available for you, even though that message has went through 2 or 3 days earlier or 2-3 hours earlier. And with that being said, guys, and confirming that you can't save that contact to Viber, you can't call them, their online status is never shown to you, and even if you send messages to them, only a tick mark at the right side of the message is shown to you and not the double tick marks. Then it will be confirmed that that person has blocked you on Viber, and you can talk to them after that. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to know if someone has blocked you on Viber or not. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.